rectangular living and dining area. So this will be the open kitchen concept where you can add up your. Once you enter over here, you can check out the flooring. This is wooden. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Asset Sora and Saki project, which is located here in Aerospace Park in North Bangalore. And this project is developed by Assets Group. And today we'll be doing the 4 BHK sample flight tour. But before moving further, let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So, book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So, this is the marketing office of Sora and Saki. And now about the land parcel is just beside the marketing office where the construction work is going on, and even you can check out the construction work. Now, let's move further and start with project overview. Now, let's discuss about this project with the help of this 3D model. So, basically, this project will be constructed on total 11.2 acres of land parcel, coming up with 7 towers. With these towers are of basement ground plus 18 floors, and basically this part is of basement ground plus 26 floors. Coming up with 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residencies. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provides you 25 plus luxurious amenities like as you can check out, this is the grand clubhouse with swimming pool, basketball court, multi-purpose court, kids play area, garden area and many more amenities. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located in Bangalore in Aerospace Park, North Bangalore. And now let me tell you that basically this road on my left hand side will connect you to New Airport Road. Now coming to the further connectivity and location of the project. Now let me tell you that basically this road on my left hand side will connect you to New Airport Road. So Bangalore police station is 2 kilometers away from the project, and you can connect to Buddhigere Road in just 3 kilometers, and Bikahalli Road is just 4.4 kilometers away from the location of the project. So now this is your 4 BHK of 2168 square feet super built up area. Let's have a look at it. So this is the main entrance, and once you enter, this will be your foyer area for your privacy purpose. And now this site will be your rectangular living and dining area. So basically you can set your sofa set over here like this, and just behind it, it is the dining area. Isn't it beautiful and spacious? Now with the living and dining area, they have provided you with a big and a huge balcony with wooden finishing flooring. And this balcony is 3-side covered with half wall structured. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area. So with the easy access to your dining area, they have provided you the open kitchen. So this will be the open kitchen concept where you can add up your serving platform, and you can check out the interior as well with the platforms, the cabinets, and here they have even provided the utility area where there will be a sink and a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. This side is a space for your refrigerator. And now moving towards your bedroom. So your one bedroom is on my right hand side, another bedrooms on my left hand side. So first let me show you the guest bedroom. That is the bedroom number 1. Once you enter over here, you can check out the flooring. This is wooden finishing flooring, and here is the bed space and a window to admire the nature. And now over this side is a big huge wardrobe space. And now, just opposite to it, over this side is the washroom, the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving towards another part of the house to check rest of the rooms. So just follow me. Now walking through your living and the dining area. Once you enter this passage area, here are your 3 bedrooms. So on my right hand side is your bedroom number 2. Once you enter this bedroom, and this is your cozy space. The interior speaks out that basically this is the kid's bedroom with a full flex window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Here comes the bed space and even the wardrobe space over here. And there is a separate space for your study room that you can add up your study table over here. Now moving further towards your another room. But exactly in front of this room is your common washroom with easy access with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your room number 3 is on my left hand side. Once you enter this room, you can check out the bed space, the window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and here is your wardrobe space, which is the inbuilt wardrobe space. And now about this washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now moving towards your master bedroom, but before that let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So Housey is here with the actual location tour of the project with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Register for free and schedule your free site visit on Housey.com. Now about your master bedroom. Now once you enter this room, you can check out the wooden finishing flooring. One thing, if you have noticed that all the bedroom here has wooden flooring. And now over here you can check out the bed space. And this is the cozy bed space, where in front you can add up your TV unit or whatever you want. Now this is the sit out area where you can check out there is wooden finishing flooring with iron railing, and this balcony is two-side open, so it will give you two-side open view. And now over here you can use the space in a multi-purpose way. You can add up your couch as well, or else your decor. And now about your attached washroom. So this side comes the attached washroom. With anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now you must be wondering about the wardrobe space. So let me show you. Here is the walk-in wardrobe over the side. Isn't it beautiful part? Here you can add up your wardrobes, the closet, and even here is a window for ventilation in this area. So this was all about your 4 BHK in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And as you all know, we are here in Aerospace Park location. Have you checked another project in this location? If yes, and again let me know in the comment section below. If you are looking for more details, it all is given in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.